Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change time on Lexus GS 350. First, find the menu or setup button, usually near your display screen. Press this button to bring up the main system menu. From there, you will need to navigate through the options to find the clock or time settings. This initial step is crucial for accessing the time adjustment features. Once you've selected the clock option, you'll see the current time displayed. You can then use the navigation buttons, often located around the main control knob, to highlight and change the hour. After setting the hour, move to the minutes and adjust them similarly. Take your time to ensure accuracy for both the hour and minute settings. After you have adjusted both the hours and minutes, take a moment to double-check that the time is exactly as you want it. Once you are satisfied, look for an OK or Enter button on the screen or control panel to confirm and save your new settings. The system will then update, and your Lexus GS 350 will display the correct time. Remember to check if your Lexus has an automatic daylight saving time feature, which can save you a step. If you travel across time zones, you'll need to manually adjust the time to reflect your new location. Also, for more great tips and deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.